Warning, you're being robbed by AI design tools right now. Every time you create visuals using platforms like Midjourney, Canva Pro, Firefly, or DALL-E, you're not investing, you're renting. Yes, are you still paying $20, $50, or even $100 a month just to use a single AI image tool? The harsh truth is, you don't own it, you don't control it. And once you stop paying, boom, you lose all your valuable business visuals. Let's be real. In today's online world, creating high-converting visuals used to be simple. Now it's a tech nightmare. Multiple tools, multiple subscriptions, multiple logins, hiring overpriced freelancers, wasting hours learning design tools, or juggling 10-plus paid AI platforms that nickel and dime you every single month. Now imagine this. What if you could get the same jaw-dropping visuals the top brands, influencers, and agencies use, without paying monthly, without hiring anyone, and without touching Photoshop, Canva, or Midjourney ever again? Feeling lured? Say hi to Imagio AI, your all-in-one AI visual creation powerhouse. For the first time ever, you get lifetime access to over 15-plus industry-leading AI platforms, Midjourney, DALL-E 3, Firefly, Remini, and more, without ongoing fees. All inside one dashboard. No subscriptions, no tech skills, just pro-quality images in seconds. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, get access. Number 2, create. Number 3, use in business or sell. Here's some amazing benefits you get with Imagio AI. 1 dashboard, unlimited possibilities. Access power of 15-plus world-class AI visual tools from Midjourney to Firefly to Remini, all in one streamlined workspace. 2, produce studio-quality graphics, social media posts, traffic creatives, and brand visuals in seconds. 3, no rent, 0 monthly fees. Imagio AI gives you everything under one roof for one low, one-time price like you as an owner. 4, from product mock-ups and lead magnets to e-com creatives and client deliverables, Imagio AI helps entrepreneurs launch, promote, and scale visually. 5, supercharged by award-winning AI models. Use the same AI image engines trusted by top creatives and big brands like DALL-E 3, Stable Diffusion XL, Leonardo AI, and more. 6, from sketchy idea to visual masterpiece, fast. 7, remove backgrounds, upscale, animate, and restore automatically. 8, no design skills? No problem. You don't need to be an artist or techie. Imagio AI was built for everyday users who want pro-level visuals without a learning curve. 9, unlimited commercial use included. Use your visuals for client projects, ad creatives, social content, and even product packaging with full commercial rights. 10, offer visual creation as a paid service instantly. With built-in commercial rights, you can sell AI-generated product shots, ad creatives, YouTube thumbnails, ebook covers, or social media content to local clients or on Fiverr, Upwork, etc. 11, skip the learning curve, plug-and-play simplicity. No confusing UIs or advanced prompt engineering. Everything's streamlined so even beginners can generate powerful visuals with just a few clicks. 12, save over $10K yearly on third-party subscriptions. Stop spending like you own an ATM machine. Imagio AI lets you create scroll-stopping visual assets and save thousands yearly, hands down. 13, ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. You've seen how powerful AI images are. You've also seen how fast the costs add up. So why keep paying rent when you can own the power today? Click below to grab lifetime access to Imagio AI now before the price goes monthly. But you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, Imagio AI will only be available for a premium monthly fee only. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below to get Imagio AI for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.